Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be discussing about agents in Crew AI. In the previous video, we have already seen how to create a Crew AI project. And after creating a project, we know that inside agents.yaml, we declare all the agents, and inside tasks.yaml, we declare all the tasks. So the scenario for this video is we have an AI agent. When we just pass the cricketer name and the year, it will get all the statistics for that specific cricketer, all these statistics, and it will create a graph out of that. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So we know inside the agents.yaml, we have to give the role of each and every agent, the goal, the backstory. If you say fetches the cricket statistics for cricketer, okay, and here it has to calculate in the second agent, it has to calculate the average 50s, average unders, and all those things. In the third agent, it has to create the graphs and all. So this is what my agent is. And again, if I go to the tasks and what does each task should do, and however the tasks and agents are mapped. Tasks and agents are mapped using this line. So this particular task uses this particular agent, and this particular task uses this particular agent, like that. And the output of this particular task should be like this, and the output of this particular task should be a graph. So I have declared the agents and tasks in an YAML file, and now the next file is crew.py. Inside this crew.file, I'll be creating the agents. So if you see here, I just created the agent for the agents which I've declared in the YAML, the stats fetcher first one. Here I've created another agent with the name stats fetcher with the decorator agent, and returns the class of type agent. It is using what kind of tools? It is using Serper dev tools. So this particular agent will use this particular tool to get the work done. And what this particular tool does is it just does the Google search. That's it. And then we have another agent. It will not use any tool, it will just use LLM, and using that it will just calculate the stats. And we have another agent here, and in this agent I am saying please allow the code to execute, because to create a graph it has to create the Python code. That's how I have defined my agents and all. If you see here, please use the Python compiler if you want to create a graph using Python, like that. So now I'm asking it to allow the code execution, and code execution mode can be two options, safe and unsafe. Safe is in case if you want to run it in the Docker, as it's a local or a POC thing. I'm just using unsafe only. So I've just created the tasks as well. We know we have to create all the tasks for all the tasks which are mentioned in this YAML file. We have done that as well. And inside the tasks, I'm just giving the output file as well. So for this task, the output file should be this one, and for the final task, the output file should be this one, like that. And here I have a final method called crew, inside which we will map all these agents and tasks, and the process is sequential. So one agent, after that another agent should be there, and I have given verbose equal to 2 everywhere, because in the output the logging should be very detailed. That's it. And now if I go to the main file, and if you see, I'm just passing two parameters here. One is cricketer name and another is year, and then that's it. I'm just triggering the crew method inside this cricketer agent class, which is nothing but this crew.py, which has a cricketer agent. I'm just triggering this one. That's it. And if you see, and why am I passing all these two parameters? Because my YAMLs and all are expecting two parameters dynamically, see, which are in the brackets. That's it. So I will execute this now. So all the tasks gets executed and our files gets created. That's it. So it fetches the information, the first agent. Now the second agent will just summarize those and save the file here. After executing the second agent, we should have the file with the name stats for cricketers, which will come here. See, the file has been created, stats for cricketers, all this file, and now it creates the graph. That's it. See, it has created the graph. The total runs, the 50s, 100s, 8, and the highest score of Virat Kohli in 2023. That's it. So this is how we can create the agent using Crew AI. And my next video will be on how we can create the tasks. Okay, I'll more detailedly explain what and all options we can pass in the tasks, and what and all things we can use inside the tasks. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you see, the file has been saved as well. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.